Ever had your iPhone freeze up, or an app just won't open no matter what you do? If so, you're in the company of many iPhone users who face common software problems. These issues range from stubborn apps that refuse to open, to iPhones freezing, or updates that don't install properly. The good news is, these glitches can often be solved by you, right at home. No need to schedule an appointment at the Apple Store. But don't worry, you're not alone. There's a way to fix these issues at home without needing a genius from Apple. Alright, roll up your sleeves. Time to get into the nitty-gritty of fixing your iPhone software. Our first step is always to safeguard your data. Even though we're dealing with software, there's always a chance something could go awry. So, it's essential to back up your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes, select your iPhone, and then click Backup Now. This will save all your photos, music, apps, and more, ensuring they're safe no matter what happens during the repair process. Now let's dive into the actual repair. If your iPhone's acting up, the first thing to try is a force restart. This is a simple but often effective method. For an iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down, and then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7, hold the volume down and side button simultaneously. And for iPhone 6s or earlier, it's the home and top or side buttons together. This process can take up to 20 seconds, so don't let go too soon. If the force restart doesn't do the trick, our next step is to try updating the software. Sometimes glitches can be caused by outdated software, so keeping your iPhone up to date is crucial. To update, go to Settings, then General, and then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Lastly, if all else fails, we can try restoring your iPhone using iTunes. This is a bit more drastic as it wipes your iPhone clean and reinstalls the software, but it can often solve more stubborn issues. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Then select your iPhone, click Summary, and then Restore iPhone. Remember to restore from the backup we made previously to get all your data back. Throughout this process, patience is key. Some steps may take time, and it's important not to rush or skip any steps. And remember, if you're ever uncomfortable or unsure, it's always best to consult with a professional. And there you have it, a few simple steps that can bring your iPhone back to life. So, what have we learned today? We dived into the troublesome world of iPhone software problems and discovered that they are not as intimidating as they seem. The key takeaways? Firstly, the importance of backing up data cannot be overstated. It's your safety net, ensuring you don't lose those precious memories or important files in case something goes awry. We then navigated through the step-by-step process of repairing iPhone software. From the initial diagnosis to the final reboot, patience and meticulousness are your best allies. Each step is a crucial piece of the puzzle, and skipping one could lead to more issues down the line. It's important to remember that while the process may seem daunting at first, it's entirely doable. With a little patience, a steady hand, and this guide at your fingertips, you're well equipped to tackle iPhone software issues head-on. Remember, when it comes to iPhone software problems, you're more capable than you think. You've got this.